எனக்கு நல்லா தமிழ் தெரியாது. So நான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுவேன். Okay sir? Okay sir. So friends, before this program also I had attended another retirees program few days back. Today let me tell you I am sorry that I came late. It is because I was attending one memorandum of understanding with Indian IIBF, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. So friends, now our IOB family is expanding every year. I mean, our number of retirees are increasing. At the same time, our number of new employees also coming in, and hence serving employees are also increasing. I want to give you a small data here that our serving employees now 22,000. I request entire audience, can you tell how many retirees friends will be there in IOB?
36.
More than 25,000. It is now 27. So few days back we are giving a presentation to top management. When they understood that serving employees are 22 and our retirees, I will tell other employees, retirees employees are 27. They really loved. Matlab that retirees numbers are far more than the serving employees. Friends, when our family is expanding and everybody has some expectation, and at HR department I have to serve everybody. It is not. For serving employee also, for retirees also. And it is not that much easy to give service to 49,000 IOBians. So what we have done, we have made many of the services digital. Our staffs are here, our chief manager from pension cell will be here also. So I joined this HR department in May 2022. Then we thought, let us interact with our retirees brothers, our seniors. So let us find out how to ease their difficulty, how to give better service to them. They should not come to bank. How they can get service by sitting in the house itself. And I think you all are aware that there is a IOB retirees portal. Are you aware? எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியுமா? அதுல உங்களுக்கு பிரான்ச்க்கு போவாண்டா, வீட்டுல உட்கார்ந்து நீங்க உங்க லைஃப் சர்டிபிகேட் கொடுக்கலாம். So that is what we thought. All 27,000 our retirees can be helped. And before some time, one of the friends was talking that young generation. This is the same problem in banks also. Now earlier they are telling millennium. There is a age gap. There is a that is called what is called gap. Generation gap. Now this it is not limited to millennium now. It has to Gen Z. Beta is somewhat They have not come to bank. We are experiencing with Gen Z. So you know that I am facing problem how to handle them, how to understand them, how to motivate them. It is a challenge for me, but for you also it is a challenge. When you are going to branch, you have to face all the Gen Z people. They have different mindset. They have different target. They have different goal. They are completely different from us. And what you feel that being IOB retired, IOB is not giving me proper service. It is not like that. It is generation gap only. Even I will tell you one example. Once I had gone to that near SRM University, one branch is there, place name is Guruvanchari, right? Guruvanchari. Okay, whatever name is there. When I saw that branch, I thought I will go to branch, but without my blazer, without my tie, everything I took out, I kept in the my vehicle, and I told my driver, don't come to branch. And keep my vehicle at a distance. Let me go and understand what this Gen Z people do in the branch. Okay. I went to branch. I sat on a chair in the lobby. I was observing what my staffs are doing. Manager is not available in the cabin. And our Jewel brother is sitting on a seat. No officer is available with him. Jewel brother taking care of this jewel loan applicants. Nobody is asking, somebody is sitting outside for so much long time. Who is he, why he is sitting, why he is observing us. Nobody is bothered about that. And in the cash counter, in front of cash counter, there are few people. And the pace in which it is moving, I was astonished. If in that pace I work, perhaps I cannot manage 49,000 people in my department. Understand my point? That is the Gen Z, matlab job with Gen Z. Here my point is that we are trying at our level to help our retirees who have made this bank. Once upon a time, you all have made this bank foundation, is it not? Yeah. That foundation perhaps now expanded. At that time, maybe it was hardly some 1 lakh crore business. Now we have reached at 5.6 lakh crore business even after 5 years in PCA. Perhaps many of you are aware that we have entered to that same IOB who is earning income, annual profit is 3,335 crore. Quarterly profit, which we had never thought of, has crossed 1,000 crore during last quarter. So that is your bank. You have made it. We are now, perhaps we are also contributing and we are helping to expand. But who has made this foundation of this bank? You people. You all have contributed only. And you have made such a platform, not only ourselves who are now serving, many more will come over the years to take benefit. They will serve their family out of this bank. I am proud of you. I am proud of our bank. And I am proud that we have maintained the IOB family in such a way that you have not forgotten IOB. You are calling us when you are getting together. And we feel as if we have come to our second house. When I came from central office, I was thinking I am going to meet my family members, very old family members, whom I had not seen for long. Perhaps I may not recognize many may not recognize me, but They know that I am their family member and they are my family member. This is the bond which still exists, will exist also. And I can assure you that at every point of time when we are thinking of serving staffs, we are definitely thinking of our retirees who are outside our bank premises. And I think our Mr. Neeraj Kumar will agree that almost every week we will be sitting one session what we can do for our retirees. He is there with the blue color shirt. Neeraj Kumar, and he is very friendly for our retirees brothers. I can tell you.
Okay, show your face.
So he is Mr. Neeraj Kumar. You can come here. You can come here. See, so why I am telling, I have schedule. I have to attend different work. But he is the person, whatever I tell to do, he takes care. And it is his child that in M3 mobile app mein you can submit your life certificate. Yes, it is his differential. And when he suggested, I thought it is a beautiful idea. It is a super idea to help our people. And he was telling, sir, whether we can include pension loan in our M3s so that our friends who are finding difficult to come to branch approach, they can sit in the house and apply for a pension loan. You know now, pension loan. Based on your pension amount, I think some 10 times or 100 times you are giving loan. Whatever times is there, some limit is there, 2 lakh or 5 lakh or whatever is there, you can apply from your house. You can upload your PPO. You can give other details. It will land at a branch. You can give it, you please take my pension loan application process and tell me when I will come for simply signing. So you need not frequently visit. That is our idea. We are thinking many other means also to make your life easy, to reduce your travel to branches and sit in front of somebody and feeling little bit harassed. We don't want that one. You are our seniors. You have shown us route how to move. Now we cannot, nobody can neglect. We have to find out a way for that, how to serve you. We are serving employee, we want to serve you. But at the same time also what I feel, few complicated cases may be there. You may feel that, sir, Mr. S ka this case is depending. Yes, that may be a special case, that may require some legal applicability, legal complexity may be there, that will take a different route. But don't generalize it, telling that inka ek hi case bani hai matlab IOB is not giving us good service. It is not that. Let us take it in other way. Certain cases are complicated. It may take time. It may take different what is called. You may feel that I may help. I may feel that it is very difficult to for me to take a decision. Those cases keep aside. Otherwise, you may proudly feel that we are for you only. We are here to serve you, and including of course our serving employees. So some of the data our pension department has given, I have told you we are having 27,000 retirees. You are also a 12th bipartite settlement when it came with certain clauses that certain retirees, certain resignees who have not got pension also, they are eligible for that. Is it not? Some resign also we have given pension. See, as per 12th bipartite settlement, IOBRWA paid to 700 retirees within 2 months. As per settlement, pension processed and paid to 110 eligible resignees. They had resigned. At that time, they were not eligible for pension. As per 12th bipartite settlement, they become eligible and we have paid. And some stagnant increment was given to 125 retirees also. I have already told that in increase you can submit life certificate and automation of terminal benefits. Yes, another more important thing that when people retire from IOB, they come to any retiree association of IOB. Is it not? On the date of retirement, he is a member of your association. Your or some other association, right? From the day, last day, he thinks that he is retired. From that day, we want to ensure that our service make them happy. How? The very next day, we wanted that all the terminal benefits should be given on the very next day of his retirement. I think you have got information. If anybody has got his terminal benefit on second day, you can tell me here. Definitely we should have got on the very next day of his retirement. That is from May 2024. I have not received a single complaint that anybody retired but not received his terminal benefit. So this is our commitment to enter IOB retirees. Yes, I think online submission of pension application that is already there. And a payment of ex gratia pre-1986 retirees. Each X4 cadre officers 15,000 plus 30,000 subtract 10,000. It was less earlier. It had been enhanced. REMA scheme has been closed all are ever because it was very difficult to maintain without any benefit to any member keeping fund. It was in our balance sheet. And many times our statutory auditor raised a question on this, why it is maintained. Why members' money is kept in IOB balance sheet. That's why we were called all the union association and representative from the retiree association. We took a decision along with the document bank. Let us disperse this amount to the members, and that is completed. Medical aid is a help from the for what is called that premium, medical premium. We wanted to help all our retirees. So we are paying, you know that all pensioners are getting 2,500 annually and family pensioners it is around 1,500. And this month we are trying also to increase it. But let me not tell here because it is not approved so far. We have given suggestion. Whenever suggestion we have given, I think it will be approved. But still, I should not divulge here because it is yet to be signed. For the current year, base premium for medical insurance has been reduced to substantially. You know that I am IPS subcommittee member also. So I take part in this insurance policies and so many other police decisions also. In that, IOB was the first bank to raise issue that in case of this medical insurance, the premium burden of retirees are very high. How it can be little bit reduced, it will be helpful for them. So many suggestions came. And finally, we suggested why you are keeping their insurance and working into insurance society. Can it not be more so that the burden of of premium on a retiree can be shared with serving employee so that little bit reduced means it is a great help. So it has been done. I think you are aware. Are you aware? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದೆ தெரியுமா ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ கொஞ்சம் கம்மி ஆயாச்சு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியுமா தெரியாதே nobody knows. So it should be given, this message should be given to all the retirees. Let it be put in retirees portal also. So just 2 days back I was thinking, see, let me disclose here also. In next April 2026, I will be also retiring. Okay. Even Mr. Neeraj, though he has a long time, but every time I tell him that one day you will also retire. And perhaps at that moment only you will think that retirement benefits are here. But you make a plan from now onwards so that not only you, many will be benefited. That's why I was asking, I think coverage come? No. I was asking him how much I should pay as a premium if I go for this medical insurance after my retirement after April 2026. Then they gave me suggestion. I want to share also. You can take IOB IBA medical insurance. You can take top up from other insurance companies. That is beneficial. That we have already tested. Suppose here you are taking medical insurance for 2 lakh, some assured, and take from here in South, what is that? Star Health is there. Is it not? You can take from Star Health some 5 lakhs or 6 lakh top up. Premium will be less, and you will have better coverage. That Mr. Ganesh is there. He knows. I was having long discussion with him how we can give good idea. See, it is not always help in the financial term. Many times that help should be in service term. Many times it should be help in information term. Many things you may not be knowing. It is required that the information should go to you, which is helpful. If anything, any opportunity available which I don't know, then having it in the market, what is use? That's why I have informed that all the beneficial information should go to field in the sense it should go to all the retiree association. I think certain information they are not aware, so you can give them. Okay. So I feel I should not take much time. I think it is time for your time is closing for your lunch. I think no lunch, huh? Nothing is that. Okay. Yes. If at all, see, when I am speaking in English, I am feeling guilty that whether everything is being understood correctly or I want to tell something in Tamil. I am also trying to tell in Tamil, but everything is not possible for me. So let me how I am able to tell you Tamil. In 91 I joined bank and I was serving Inaugural region for 5 years. And nowadays people don't like to rural branches. Here from Tamil people themselves they don't like to go to Nagarkoil, telling that it is deep south. But I am a man from Odisha. My first posting was at Nagarkoil region. I think if anybody know, you can feel that plus Sakaram somebody know? You know where it is. And in plus Sakaram you can find out where is Kayal. Anybody know? No. So I was posted there in 91. Just think of. So I was traveling about 10 to 12 kilometers inside jungle in a two-wheeler in 91. Just imagine. Still, I feel proud that I have worked in such difficult terrain in Tamil Nadu, and that particular posting gave me opportunity to learn Tamil. At that time, I was speaking Tamil, I was even reading Tamil. Now, after about 25 years, I have revived that I should tell Tamil. So it is my personal experience. Tamil Nadu is a very good state, having a lot of opportunity, many cities, communication is fantastic here. People really are fantastic. Let me tell you, I am sharing it is out of this thing, not related to Retirees Association. Why I want to express after 1 year I will losing this opportunity to mingle with you people. Initially, we felt very awkward when my family came here, Tamil Nadu. When we are going to shop, we are facing difficulty. How I will tell that I want rice, I want potato, I want onion. How will you tell? For me, time is not available. I have to go to market. Family members have to manage. Then I told, when you have got a chance to come to Tamil Nadu, why you are not trying to learn at least whatever required for our house? So I have taught when you are going to any place for marketing, tell that potato like onion, vendikai, this katrika. These are the common things you have to understand. You have to remember. After purchase everything, you tell that that they can understand. Even the accent will be different. They can feel. In lighter mode, I expressed all these things. So friends, we'll try our level best to the extent possible, whatever help is possible, and I can really appreciate the effort of Mr. Neeraj. He has studied my mindset that I want to give some sort of service, either financial or physical or informational or comfort level service to our retirees. I generally convey what I want. He actually plans and give me plan that, sir, you see whether it will do. Yes, with little modification we generally go. So certain things still are there in our mind. We have to implement because the plans we have to implement in automation process, that is there. So besides that, if any grievance is there, I think I have not received any complaint which is beyond his beyond his decision. Of course, certain thing comes to me for suggestion, for rectification or giving final decision, that of course comes. So here I want to tell you that you are raising your hand. What is that?
One major grievances for the past 3 years is not being solved.
Yes. I'll tell. So that is why I told that certain here and there cases, even from my own state, one retiree telephoned me that case is for last 10 years, it is still going year after year. Please sit down. So certain cases are there. It is not that much. You are thinking that it is correct. I am thinking it is not correct. When we are referring to bipartite settlement, it is not giving clear picture. When we are referring, I think many cases we have referred to IBA with a case example. That is, answer is not coming. Being also IBA subcommittee member, I am talking to Mr. Vijay Sharma. Many of you may be knowing, he is secretary of this subcommittee. He is the senior advisor to IBA on HR matters. And I generally personally talk to him, personally share cases to him. You tell me, you put to your committee and get some answer for me. See, certain things are also very legal. Demanding a legal thing, there is no bar. But taking a decision on a legal thing, you can be either side. This side bank will suffer, that side you will suffer. That's why in between there is an organization called IBA, we have to refer that, we have to get a confirmation. Tomorrow I can refer that it is IBA decision. So even if legally correct or incorrect, I don't take I don't have to pay that challenge. Yes, I admit there are few cases, years after year it is good. And you will be also happy that many cases, gratuitous cases was pending. When I came here, he put me some 29 cases or 36 gratuitous cases was pending. That is, we have disposed everything. We have taken a call. We have taken certain risk also. See, I have to take calculated risk. Tomorrow I will not be also there. So calculated risk I can take. When a legal matter is involved, of course I have to take a legal opinion or I have to refer to IBA, then only I can take a decision. Those individual cases you can separately discuss. Let us not discuss it here because it is not for individual matter. It is a matter we have to discuss which is common to all and beneficial to all. So with this, I think I have tried my level best to give you some information which you should have liked. And I also thank you all to give patient hearing, even though I am not speaking Tamil. But I should tell that I am so pleased to come here and look at your faces. And I can memorize my days in 91. Thinking that your days may be beyond 1980 also, is it not? So it is a great pleasure for me to attend this, see you, talk to you, and share my experience, my feeling to you. And I can understand, I can study your face, that definitely you want always favorable service from my side to you. That I am studying from your face. If I am correct, I think I am studying it correctly. With this, I can give you all thanks and giving opportunity to come here and speak to you in such a nice forum. So I also I think thank Mr. Pechai, President, and Mr. Karupaya, General Secretary, and other dignitaries who are here and who had come to IOB also to invite me. And at the end, once again, let me tell, sorry, I could not come in time because my time is not that much stretched. Every half an hour, perhaps I have a schedule to attend. And it is for all. That's why I have to give equal time to all the matters. With this, I can tell thank you all. Thanks.